First witness.
You may.
Sergeant Beagle, I'm approaching you with what's been marked as State's Exhibit 88. If you could please review it and let me know if you recognize the information it contains.
Yes, I do.
And what is State's Exhibit 88?
It's a Cellbrite generated report documenting the data from Mr. Isaac Apodaca's phone, in particular the Facebook usage, such as the messages and the call history.
And when you've reviewed the Cellbrite extractions, have you been able to access this data?
Yes, I have.
Okay, does this log entries portion of the extraction report fairly and accurately depict the data from the extraction demonstrating the Facebook application or Facebook Messenger application usage in the relevant time frame?
Yes, it does.
Does that information appear to have been altered or tampered with in any way since you've reviewed the information itself on the actual extraction?
No, it has not.
Your Honor, at this time, I'd move to admit State's Exhibit 88.
Any objection?
No objection from defense here.
88 is admitted.
Your Honor, we don't need to publish this. May I approach the witness, Your Honor?
Yes.
Sergeant Behill, I'm going to approach you with something that's been labeled as State Exhibit 89. Do you recognize State Exhibit 89?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and what is State's Exhibit 89?
It's a copy of the Cellbrite report from the data extraction of Mr. Isaac Apodaca's cell phone, which I reviewed, signed and dated.
And other than the redactions for relevance, does this fairly and accurately depict the information that was pulled from Isaac Apodaca's phone during the extraction?
Yes,
Okay. Are search terms contained on this report?
there are.
And are SMS text messages contained on the report?
There are.
Your Honor, other than the redactions that are noted for relevance, has this information been altered or tampered with in any way?
No.
Your Honor, this time I'd move to admit State's Exhibit 89.
Counsel,
Defense has no objection.
89 is admitted.
Move to publish, Your Honor.
Yes.
So we're not going to go through this entire 24-page document at this time, but I would like to a couple of things. Would the court inquire whether the jury can view this text at this zoom level if I need to zoom more?
Can everyone see it? Yes, go ahead.
Thank you. Okay, so looking at this, this report, let's start with this first section. What does the first section contain on this report?
The first section, the timestamp, shows the date of the incident, October 29th, 2022. This one seems to already have UTC time accounted for, so it's already been converted into into local time. That's why you see UTC-6 there, and it's showing a time of 4:46 and 57 seconds in the morning. The source shows from an iPhone and it appears that the Safari application was used. Safari, I have knowledge and experience of that being a web searching tool commonly used on iPhones. And then the value is displayed as the barn.
And in the columns above that and to the right, there's a created and a modified date. What do those dates correspond to?
The created date is 12/13/2022, 10:59 and 5 seconds in AM. And the modified date is 12/13/2022, 10:59:05 AM.
And on what date was the extraction pulled from these phones?
On or around that time.
Thank you. Okay, so this first series of searches on the phone under searched items 1, 2, 3, and 4, what is the search term that is utilized during those times?
The same search term. It's all the barn.
Okay, and are the timestamps different?
They are different, but they're all within, it appears, a couple seconds of each other.
Okay. And then now going to search terms conducted at, or search terms labeled, excuse me, as 5, 6, and then the portion of 7 that's visible. What date and time were these these search terms utilized?
5, 6, and 7 all appear to have taken place on the date of the incident, October 29, 2022. Number 5 in particular has a timestamp of 1:34 and 43 seconds PM, UTC time already accounted for. It appears to be another Safari internet search, and the value is how to dispose of a body.
Thank you. Yeah. And is that the same search term utilized in 6, 7, and 8?
Yes.
Okay. Going to 102922 or under item 10, what is the item 10?
Item 10 appears to be an outgoing phone call to the phone number 505-428-3700.
Do you know that number?
I'm familiar with this number. This is the non-emergency dispatch number for the Santa Fe Police Department.
Okay. And we heard a recording earlier on in this case where Mr. Apodaca had a conversation with dispatch. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And that this call was made at 1:52:56?
Yes, and it had a duration of about 7 minutes, it appears.
Thank you. Going to scroll just to a couple of other things. Are some of the Facebook Messenger phone calls or are those visible in this portion of the Celebrite extraction?
They are. You could see number 15 right there appears to be an outgoing phone call to Mama Love, time stamped the date of the incident, October 29, 2022, 12:19 and 53 seconds PM. It was not answered, it appears.
Going down to number 19 in the call log, is there a time where there is a outgoing phone call not using the Messenger app from the phone itself in this time frame?
Yes, it appears number 19 reflects that. It's an outgoing call to phone number 505-316-4537. Through investigation, I learned this was Mr. Apodaca's mother's phone, Linda Montoya, I believe.
So as opposed to phone calls made in the Messenger app, is this a phone call to another phone?
Correct, yes.
Okay. Is there another phone call from that, or to that phone number, excuse me, and looking in the call log at 21 at 102:05?
Yes, yes, there is.
And going to 142:24 in the entry, 24 in the call log, is there an outgoing call and a answered call at this time?
Yes, there is.
And to what number?
To the 1-505-316-45